Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some arithmetic on profit and loss. Next one is 46. A man buys two horses for rupees 1550, right? Is it given? For how many? Where is the question? Which number?
46.
46 number. A man buys two horses are 1000, yes. 1550. He sells one so as to lose 23% and the other so as to gain 27%. On the whole, he neither gains nor loses. What does each horse cost? So, this is which number is it? 46. What did I say?
46.
46. So, let one horse, let CP of one horse is X. Another is 1550 minus X. Right? As per question, X into 23% is equal to 1550 minus X into 27%. Implies that 23 x upon 100 is equal to 1550 into 27 minus 27x upon 100. 100 cancel. Implies that so 23 x plus 27x is equal to 1550. Implies that is how many? 50x is equal to 1550. X is equal to 1550 upon 5. 5, 3 the 1, that is 31. X is equal to 31. 31, sorry. It is into 27. This is also 27. This is also 27. 27. The CP of another horse is equal to, so that is 27 is equal to, that is 83837. So CP of one horse is equal to 837. Another is equal to 1550 minus 837 is equal to how many? 713. Could you understand? So right answer is 837 and 713. Which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 4.
Number 4 is the correct answer. Could you understand? Next one. That is 47. A person bought two watches for Rs 960. Could you understand? He sold one at a loss of 20% and the other at the gain of 60% and found that each watch sold at the same price. And he did not make profit and incur loss. Could you understand? So, let the CP of one watch is equal to one watch is equal to X. Other is 960 minus X. Could you understand? As per the question, 20% loss and 60% profit, that is are same. That means 80 x upon 100 is equal to is 960 minus x upon 100 into 60. X, sorry. Implies that this one cancelled. 80x minus this is minus implies that 1 minute is equal to 960 into 60 minus 60x implies that 80x minus 60x is equal to 960 into 60 implies that 20x is equal to 960 into 60. Therefore, x is equal to 960 into 60 upon 20 is equal to 3 is equal to we made a mistake somewhere. Okay, let's do again. So let this CP of 1 was is equal to x CP. Another is 9 6 is minus x. This is another CP. Could understand? As per the question, 20% loss in the first case and 60% profit in the second case. That is, oh, I see, profit. So 80x upon 100 is equal to 960 minus x into 160 upon 100. That is not 60. Could understand? Implies that this will be cancelled. The 100 will be cancelled. The rest is equal. Implies that 80x is equal to 960 into 160 minus 160. Could understand? X implies that 80x minus 160 x is or plus is equal to 960 into 160. Right? Implies that 240 x is equal to 960 into 160. Therefore, x is equal to 960 into 160 upon 240. You know, so 244 that is 0 20, 16 for the how many? 64. The CP is equal to 600 for x is equal to. First one is equal to this. First one is equal to 640. Second one is equal to 960 minus 640 is equal to 0, 2 and 3. This is 320. Second one is CP. So what is asked? So yes, which is correct? Tell me.
Number 1.
Number 1 is correct. Mr. Hello. You don't look at the blackboard. What is this? Your attention is somewhere. Give attention to the math, please. Look at the blackboard. Okay? Stop doing. Okay. Next one is which number? Tell me. That is 48. 48. A man sells 2 articles, each for the same price. That is 155.50. Another is 550. This is SP. This is SP. Right? He earns 20% profit. Here 20% profit. Here 20% loss. Could you understand? On the second, what would be his approximate overall percent? Kete percent se paila? Could you understand? Very interesting. What did I say? Very interesting. So this is SP, this is SP, this is what? Profit. That means 120 is equal to 120 SP is equal to 100 CP. Therefore, 1 is equal to 100 upon 120. Therefore, 550 is equal to 550. Could you understand? Next one is equal to. So, what is this? Tell me. Leave it. Second one is equal to. Here 20% what? Loss. 20% loss.
Loss.
So let's see what is it. 0, 0 is equal to 5, 5, double 0 upon 12. Right. Next here in this case, in the second instance, there is 20% loss. That is SP, when SP is equal 80, CP is equal 100. Could understand? When SP is equal to 1, SP and CP. 1, CP is equal to 100 upon 80. When SP is equal to 550 into 550. Could understand? 0, 0, this is 5, is equal to 550 upon 8. Could understand? So, in the first instance, now let's make the difference. Now make the difference. This one is the CP, this is the CP. Both the CPs are not equal. There is difference. So what is the difference? Could understand? So 50, 500, 5008 minus 550 by 12 is equal to that is 24. 3 0 0 5 60 is equal to 24. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. 3 into 5500 is equal to 0 0 15 1 16. Right. Minus 24 divided by 2 is equal to 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. 2 into this one is equal to 0 0 0 11. So that is 16,500 minus 11,000 is equal to 0055 is equal to 550024. Right. So let's do it. What happens? 5500 into 24. 24 is equal to how many? No, it will not do our purpose. No. 24, 3 there. 16.
None of it.
None of this is right, but we should calculate it. Number 1?
Number 48.
Number 48. That is number 48.
49.
No, that is 40% gain. Just 1 minute. So 12. This one 12. Just 1 minute. 5 upon 12. 12 is equal how many? 12 for the right. 48 70. 12 5 the 60. 10 is 0. 12 8 the. So that is first in the, this is 4 5 8 around. This is around CP. Another is here is another one. Another one. This is 5 0 divided by 8. 8 6 the 48. Here 7 0 8 8 the 64 4 0 and that is 5. Could you understand? So this is CP, this is CP, this is CP. Both mix 4 5 8 plus 6 8 5 is equal to how many? 3 and also 4. 3 1 9 4 1 11 10 11 14. So selling by both the selling price means 550 550, that is 1100. This is SP and this is CP. So SPG higher than SPG lower than CP, there is a loss. Could understand? There is a loss. So 11 1143 minus 1100 is equal to 43, around 4% loss. 4% loss. Could understand? The right answer is, which is the right answer? 4% loss.
Number 2.
Number 2 is the right answer. Okay. Next one is 49. A man purchases 2 articles each for the same price, that is 49. A man purchases for which 49 articles each for the same price, rupees 6. This is CP and also this is CP. He earns 20% profit on the first 20% profit. Could understand? That means when CP is 100, SP is 120. When CP is 1, SP is 120 upon 100. When CP is 600, it is 600 is equal to 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel is equal to how many? 720. This is SP, first SP. Here in the second case, 20% loss. That means when CP is equal to 100, SP is equal to 80. When CP is 1, SP is equal to 80 upon 100. When CP is equal to 600, SP is equal to 600. Double zero double cancel, that is 482. This is SP. So total SP is equal to 2 is 0, 2 plus 80 is equal to 10, 0 here and 1, 5, 5, 7, 12. And total CP is equal to 600 and 600, that is 12. So CP is 12, SP is 12. So there is no loss and no profit at all. Could understand? He purchased for RS 1200 and sold for RS 1200. No loss, no gain. Which is correct? Number which is correct?
5.
Number 5. None of these. What did I say? None of. Where is the book? None of these. Number 5. Okay. Okay. Next one is that is 50. What did I say? That is 50. What is given in the number 50? So, a man sells 2 horses for 11,900. Could understand? SP? 11,900 is the SP. Up 2 horses. 2 horses. Right? For example, let 1 horse with the SP of 1 horse. Let SP of 1 horse is X. Another is 11,900 minus X. So, first CP is equal to SP of second. First, CP of first. CP of first is equal to SP of second. Could understand? So, what is given? Just 1 minute. A man sells 2 horses for RS 11,900. The cost price of the first is equal to the selling price of the second. If the first is sold at 30% less and the second is sold at 20% gain, what is the total gain or loss? So, as per the question, he made 30% loss in the first instance. That means 30% loss means the when 70 is equal SP, CP is equal to 100. 1 is equal to 100 upon 70. So X is equal to into X, right? That is 100X upon 70. In the second instance, let's see. So when SP is equal to SP is equal to 125, because there is a profit of 20%, CP is equal to 100. SP is equal to 1, CP is equal to 100 upon 125. Therefore, that is 11,900 minus X is equal to 100 upon 125 into 11,900 minus X, that is. So as per the question, SP first CP of first is equal to SP of second, that is here. $51. So here the question is, as per question, could understand? We shall do it here. As per question, so CP1 first is equal to SP of second, that is the equation is equal to 100 upon 70X is equal to 11,900 minus X. Implies that 100X is equal to 11,900 into 70 minus 70X. Implies that 100X plus 70X is equal to 11,900. Implies that 170X is equal to 11,900. Therefore, X is equal to 11,900 upon 170 is equal to how many? Tell me. Can't you say how many? Can't you say? 0, 0 cancel, 17 4 the, right? 17 4 the. Sorry. I made again a mistake. So 100 is equal to 70 here. Into 70 is equal to 4900. X is equal to 4900. So first one is equal to, first SP is equal to 49, again another 1,900, 4,900 is equal to 7,000. Could understand? 7,000. So first one is equal to how many? The SP of first horse is equal to 4,900. Second is equal to 7,000. So what is asked? In the question, what is asked? So again, what is the total gain or loss? So we will calculate loss percent. In the first instant, he lost, that is 30% lost. Just 1 minute. First horse, SP of first horse is equal to how many? 4,900. And the second is equal to how many? 7,000. In the first case, if the first is sold at a loss 30%, here 30% loss and here 20% gain, right? So calculate it. In the first instant, so 70% SP, 70 SP is equal to 100. 1 is equal to 170. Therefore 4900 is equal to into 4900, that is 0 cancel 700 is equal to 7,000. So this is not 770. So 70 is equal to 7,000. This is the CP, first CP. Second one is selling SP is equal to 7,000, profit 25%, that is 125 is equal to 100. 1 is equal to 125 into 7,000. Right? So 25, 5 the 25, what? 4 the, right? 5, 1, 2, 24, 00 is equal to 5,600. So this is also CP. This is the CP, this is the CP. Total how many? 00, 6, 12. This is the CP. SP 11,000. SP. This is the CP 11,900. Could understand? So CP is greater than SP, there is a loss. Could understand? How much? 0, 0, 6. We can't subtract 9 from 6. We will borrow 1 from here. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. So 700 loss. Which is correct?
Number 2.
Number 2 is correct. Could understand? Just 1 minute. This is a lengthy math, difficult to do. Which is one is number 2 is correct. With this, that is end of today's math class. We shall discuss the other math.